Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a platform for coders and programmers. This is called as code.org. If you just go to Google, just type here code-org. This is a platform. It's a fun little program for coders and web developers. If you want to learn programming, you can visit this platform, and they do have fun little ways. So here you can simply first of all create your account. So here you can select if you are a student or a teacher. If you are a teacher, you can also create lectures and sign up as a teacher. But if you just want to learn something, you can sign up with your Google account as well. Simply select your account and just log in. So after you actually create an account, you will be redirected to their dashboard. And here just sign up right here. Information, just fill out age. So click on that, go to my account, and then you will be redirected to the dashboard. So here you can search for any sort of courses which are there. Once you select the course, you simply click start, and you will see the course will start right here. And here you can watch step-by-step courses, and they also, you can even donate to them. It's completely free to try. So basically they do, if you like, you can make donate them, because they don't charge any sort of money to run this website. That's why you can even code right here as well. So if you just want to code inside this platform for practice, you can click on new project, and then you can select how you want to code here. So this is a Python editor right here. As you can see, this is my main.py file. So I'm running this program. If I click run, my Python program will run right here. So it's a ultimate editor as well, where you can even run your programs as well if you just want to do coding. So here you create your new file, you name it anything, and just start your coding right here. So if you just want to practice after you learn something inside this, so they do offer the video courses alongside with practice. You can even practice right here. Just click the run button and your program will instantly run. So just click new project, and right here you simply app lab. So here you can select any sort of, if you're designing something or coding something, you control. It's a fun little website. Definitely check out code.org if you are a programmer and developer. So courses, as you can see, all these courses are also available to you. So you can explore it. So definitely check out this website, guys. And thank you very much for watching this video. And also check out my website, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.